So hi guys, so good morning. So last time I bought a play door. That is a play door. Play door, you can see it. Play door in there, and there's a play door in here. So I didn't open up because if you open, it's just like this. This all came in the plastic bag. And I have a train in here, so look what I make, guys. I make a rose. Look at that rose, guys. Rose. I make a rose. This is just a color pencil, and I can I make a rose on the top. This is not liar. I'm not liar, guys. I really make this, guys. I really make this rose. Look at that. Look at that rose. It's so cute. So tell me in the comment what I should make. Because I make now a rose and train and trees. So which is I'm gonna make now? Which is I'm gonna. Sorry, I'm not good on English, guys. So on my school I have a cookie in my school. So my rose fall. Hey, look at that rose. Oops. Oops. Look at that rose, so cute. Just fall. Look at that rose, so cute. And I'm gonna put it back. I really make this rose. So comment what I should make. Comment what it should be. So bye, guys. So don't forget to hit like button and subscribe button. Bye.